Sound familiar? You're mid-clean, feeling productive, and bam! Your Dyson V10 starts sputtering like a broken record. You squeeze the trigger. Nothing. Squeeze again. Maybe a little power. You're not crazy, folks. The dreaded faulty trigger is at it again. The faulty trigger issue is a common problem plaguing Dyson V10 owners. It's often caused by wear and tear on the internal switch contacts. Over time, these contacts become damaged or corroded, leading to inconsistent power delivery. Ignoring this trigger trouble can lead to bigger problems. You'll experience reduced cleaning efficiency, potential motor strain, and eventually complete power loss. Plus, that intermittent power surge can actually damage other components. So, you're struggling with that pesky faulty trigger on your Dyson V10. Don't throw it away just yet. At RoboCare, we're Dyson specialists. We've seen it all when it comes to V10s, and the faulty trigger is one of our most common repairs. Our technicians are specifically trained on Dyson technology. We don't just fix vacuums, we understand them. Our technicians are extensively trained on Dyson technology. We don't just guess, we diagnose. We use specialized diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact cause of the trigger malfunction. Our repair process involves carefully disassembling the handle, meticulously inspecting the trigger assembly, and replacing the faulty switch with a genuine component. We'll get it back to like-new condition. But don't just take our word for it. We'll show you the real results RoboCare delivers. Ta-da! Look at that cleaning power. After RoboCare's expert repair, your Dyson V10 will be back to its peak performance in no time. Consistent suction, no more sputtering, just pure cleaning bliss. After receiving the vacuum cleaner back, our customer was delighted with its performance. Don't let a faulty trigger hold you back from a clean home. Visit our website today or give us a call to schedule your repair.